Hey everybody, stick around because today we're going to understanding the deception of cheap traffic source. You're going to want to stick around for this one because it's a good one. Now, cheap traffic sounds like a dream, right? You see the ad, you get thousands of clicks for pennies, and think, finally my business is going to blow up. But let me ask you something. When was the last time anything cheap and marketing ever gave you a real results? Here's a spoiler alert. Cheap traffic usually costs you way more than you think. Here's the deception. Cheap traffic sources are designed to look attractive. They give you impressive numbers, thousands of impressions, clicks, and visitors. But those numbers don't pay the bills. You can't deposit a click into your bank account, now can you? Most of this traffic comes from bots, click farms, or low-quality placements where people aren't interested at all in your offer. Sure, your website might light up like a Christmas tree on Google Analytics, but hey, behind the curtain, there's no real engagement whatsoever. No sales, no subscribers, no loyal audience. You're not seeing it. And here's the kicker. Cheap traffic doesn't just fail to convert, it can actually damage your business. First, it skewers your analytics. You think your funnel isn't working correctly when in reality, you're just feeding it garbage traffic. Second, it lowers your ad account reputation. Platforms like Facebook and Google, well, they notice that poor engagement, and that drives up your cost even more. Third, it wastes time, and time is one thing you can't buy back. So what should you do instead? Focus on quality traffic sources. That means targeting people who are already searching for your solution, who fit your targeted market, who are already to make a purchase. This could involve SEO, YouTube content, properly targeted ads, or even building relationships through social media and email lists. The goal isn't to get more clicks, it's to get the right clicks. 100 engaged visitors will beat 10,000 worthless ones every single time. So the next time someone promises you cheap traffic, remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Invest in building real traffic, real audience, and real customers. That's where the profit lies. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff strategies, and let me know in the comments below. Have you ever been burned by a cheap traffic source? Share your story. I'd love to hear it. And by the way, this is Scott. Peace and progress. I'll see you in the next video.